a very simple South Indian recipe from Tamil Nadu called Kira Kuttu. Kira means spinach. We have different kinds of spinach available throughout the year, and we make this Kira Kuttu, which is full of vitamins and antioxidants and protein. It's very good for your health, and it helps in eyesight, and helps with your skin complexion. And usually we have this Kira Kuttu with rice, and to go along with it, we have a spicy tohiyal or a vatta korambu or a fry curry. That's usually the menu which we South Indians follow whenever we make the Kira Kuttu. It's good to have kira or spinach in your diet at least thrice a week. So this can be prepared very easily with coconut, and the tempering we're going to do with coconut oil in a totally positive pranic method. Now let's get into the video and see how we'll make this Kira Kuttu.
Let's wash the moong dal first and pressure cook it along with the spinach leaves. We have to cook this for 2 whistles. Let's not add a lot of water. A cup of water is enough. The spinach will leave a lot of water. Let's pressure cook this for 2 whistles in high flame. Let's also add a little bit of turmeric powder. Now let's turn on the cooker. Let's cook the spinach for 2 whistles. And once you turn it off, it will take a couple of minutes for the pressure to release. Meanwhile, let's sing a song and then get back to our cooking.
माता पिता तुम मेरे प्रभु मेरे गुरु माता पिता तुम मेरे प्रभु मेरे गुरु जो है और जो है नहीं सब कुछ तुम हो सद्गुरु जो है और जो है नहीं सब कुछ तुम हो सद्गुरु माँ ने दिया जन्म पिता ने दिया है नाम माँ ने दिया जन्म पिता ने दिया है नाम अनदेखी एक दिशा बुलाती सुबह शाम माता पिता तुम मेरे.
So now let's grind half a coconut into fine pieces. Let's add a teaspoon of cumin seeds as well and a few red chilies for spice and grind it into a paste by adding a little bit of water so that the paste becomes fine. Now let's add this ground paste to the spinach Kira Kuttu. This coconut adds a lot of flavor to this Kira Kuttu. It's very good for health. Prepare this Kira Kuttu for lunch. It is a very good dish for lunch. And give it a boil. And now let us temper the Kira Kuttu with coconut oil. We have taken a teaspoon of coconut oil. Let's add a teaspoon of mustard and a teaspoon of urad dal. Tempering in coconut oil for Kira Kuttu will take it to a different level, and it's very tasty. Once we temper the Kira Kuttu, let's turn it off. The green, healthy Tamil Nadu style Kira Kuttu is ready to eat. Serve it with rice and spicy curry, or you can just have it as it is with the papad.
I wanted to give one tip about the spinach kuttu we made today. In South India especially, we believe that we are not supposed to eat Kira Kuttu during the rainy weather and also during the dinner time, because lots of kira is a bunch of leaves, right? So during the rainy season, it's bound to catch a lot of unwanted organisms, and it's not good for our health. And also, same goes for the dinner as well. At dinner time, we will not be able to get rid of those organisms that are usually in the spinach, and that is the reason we avoid eating kirai in the night. And since the scooter will go very well with only rice, so that's also a reason that we don't eat kira kuttu at night. This is the tip I wanted to share with you.